Okay. So basically we are recording this because there's a hacker that hack old X. I need that sprint with that dangerous animal. Oh. Meme, don't annoy me. There's no Meme. What are you doing? Meme. Oh my god, Meme. What are you doing? A good stack. Oh my god. Zach. Oh my god. Oh, Meme. Oh my god, they're so alpha. Damn alpha.
Diyan ka muna, ne.
Oops.
Kumain ka. Kumain ka na. Mag-aano lang ako. Iiglip lang ako sandali. Baka may mag-doorbell eh.
Ouch!
Sandali lang ako iiglip. Naglalaro pa.
Oh my god. No. Meme. Be friendship. I saw about no to tingle every time I drink. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel hungry.
Huwag mong yaano yung mga ano na yun. Yung mga dami na yun.
Oh my god, that hack. I'm so annoying. You're so annoying.
Kumain ka na, Kai. Meron mo
Yeah. Oh.
Saan ka pinakain? O pinagluto kayo?
Oh my god. I'm cute.
Kanin?
See. Oh my god, so cute. The sky is on fire. What? Where's the damn hacker? Oh my god.
Masarap sa buhok ang the best. Tinapa at saka yung chicharong baboy. Yun ang malasa yun. Ako, naglalagay nyo ng tofu. Masarap yun. Anong bagong ano dito? Maalat. Ang baka binaban.
Every time we are the safest base in the world. Okay, bye guys, bye. That is scary though.